Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. Today, I'm going to teach you how to answer the question, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. So let's get started. What do you do in your free time or in your leisure time, or as British people say, leisure? Okay? Of course, free time or spare time or leisure time means time spent away from business, work, job hunting, maybe domestic chores or education. That's why we call it free time. Okay? Very nice. So I'm going to write and say some of the possible answers for this question. Number one, I usually hang out with my friends. I usually hang out with my friends. Of course, hang out means to spend time with my friends. Number two, I do volunteer work. I do volunteer work. I do volunteer work. Number three, I go running a lot. I go running a lot. I go running a lot. So here you can change the activity. Here you can say swimming, you can say fishing, skiing, you can say play soccer, play tennis, whatever, okay? Very nice. Number four, I like reading stories. I like reading stories. I like reading stories. Or we can say, instead of stories, we can say novels, okay? I like reading novels. Very nice. Number five, I like gardening. I like gardening. I like gardening. Very nice. Number six, I recite the Holy Quran. I recite the Holy Quran. I recite the Holy Quran. As you know, we do this as Muslims, okay? Reading from the Quran, the Holy Quran. Very nice. Number seven, I like relaxing at home. I like relaxing at home. I like relaxing at home. Very nice. Number eight, and the last one, if you don't have any free time, you can say, I don't have any free time. I don't have any free time. I don't have any free time. So again, when you are asked the question, what do you do in your free time? You can answer like this. Number one,
I usually hang out with my friends.
Very nice. Number two, I do volunteer work. Number three,
I go running a lot.
Very nice. Number four, I like reading stories or novels. Number 5,
I like gardening.
very nice. Number 6, I recite the Holy Quran. Number 7,
I like relaxing at home.
very nice. Number 8, I don't have any free time. If you see, you are always busy, okay? You can say, I don't have any free time. Very nice. So, all of these answers for this question, what do you do in your free time, are very important. So, free time is important in our lives. Why do you think free time is important?
To relax.
Very nice. So, to relax, you can do any one of these things. You can do volunteer work. You can go gardening. You can read a story. Very nice. Another answer.
To escape the everyday routine and stress.
Very nice. So, to escape the everyday routine or stress, you can hang out with your friends, right? You can go running, right? Very nice. Another answer.
To have time for my family and my friends.
So, to have time for your friends or for your family, you can do any one of these things. So, you need to have free time, okay? You need to have free time for your family, right? For
Right.
your friends. And another answer,
To work more easily and efficiently.
the same thing. If you want to work more easily, you need to have free time. Okay? Very nice. I hope this video was useful for everyone. And if you guys enjoyed this lesson, come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Habbas. Until next time, see you guys. Bye-bye.